Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super important skill for managing risk in your trades, how to add a stop loss in TradingView. Whether you're just getting started with trading or want to tighten up your execution game, this step-by-step guide will give you everything you need to confidently set stop losses in TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to protect your trades and potentially save yourself a lot of headaches down the line. So let's dive in. First things first, head over to TradingView. If you've never used it before, TradingView is one of the most popular platforms out there for charting and analytics. All you need is a web browser and your login details. Once you're signed in, take a look at the very top of the screen. You'll see a menu bar with different options. You want to click on Products. This is where TradingView keeps all sorts of powerful tools, so it's a good spot to get familiar with if you're planning to do more than just look at charts. After you click on Products, don't rush, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list. Sometimes it's easy to miss this part if you're in a hurry. At the bottom, you'll spot the option to connect to your broker. Now, this step is key because TradingView needs to talk directly to your brokerage account in order to place live trades and manage orders like stop losses for you. If you're trading with real funds, you'd select your actual broker here. But for this tutorial, I'll be using paper trading. Paper trading is TradingView's built-in simulator, and it's a fantastic tool for learning, testing strategies, or just getting comfortable with how orders work without risking any real cash. Once you've chosen paper trading, click Connect. Give the platform a moment or two to establish the connection. It's kind of like pairing your phone with Bluetooth. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, and if it doesn't work right away, don't stress. It's usually just a matter of refreshing or retraying. With the connection set up, look for the Trade button. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and click Trade. This opens up the order panel, which lets you set all the parameters for your trade. Here, where you'll see the stop loss option. Don't worry if you're not sure what a stop loss is. It's simply an order that will automatically close your position if the price moves against you by a set amount. It's kind of like setting up bumpers in a bowling alley. If things start to head off target, you've got a safety net. To add a stop loss, you'll see a little checkbox labeled Stop Loss. Make sure to tick this box. Now you'll be prompted to enter your stop loss level. Take a moment to decide where you want your risk limit to be. This could be a certain price point below your entry, or maybe based on the volatility of the asset you're trading. Setting a stop loss isn't just about automation, it's about discipline. Even seasoned traders use this tool to keep their emotions out of the equation. After setting your stop loss, all that's left is to hit buy or sell. Double-check your entry and stop loss settings before you confirm. Going slow here can save you plenty of stress later on. When you're satisfied, click buy or sell and TradingView takes care of the rest. Your order will be placed along with the stop loss you set and you're good to go. And that's it, you've just added a stop loss in TradingView. Simple but absolutely powerful. Remember, using stop losses can help you avoid those big unexpected losses and stay in the game longer. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please take a second to like the video, and if you have any questions or run into issues, just drop them in the comments. I check them regularly and I'm happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical trading tutorials just like this. Good luck out there and I'll see you in the next video.